All right, today I got something a little different. I need to get back into my projects, and I'm going to start with something small. This is a door stop, and I'll open it up in a second, but it's going to be going on this door because every time I come in, I like to have this door open a lot of the time, so I use something to prop it up. Otherwise, it'll just do that, right? Which is a door. It's what a door's supposed to do. But I like to have it open, so I use that. So this is designed to be a stop, all right? And it's there's two in here, and they come in various colors. I got antique bronze to match all my hardware in the doors. So yeah, one touch door stopper, 4-inch, made in Korea. So that's interesting. All right, hold on. Let me open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, I got the 2-pack. I was going to get one, but it turned out that the 2-pack is cheaper than buying one twice, if you get my meaning. But these things are pretty stout. It comes with a gasket, right? Which I'm going to use as a template. And it comes with 3 screws. Screws look pretty good. It's a spring-loaded thing, right? So when it's up against the wall, right, you just press on this lever. Oops, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And so it looks really good. Sorry if you couldn't see what I was doing. I put my phone on a weird angle just to give you a better look. See, here's the grommet or the gasket. And nice screws, and it's an antique brass, or antique bronze actually, but it's close enough to my finish. I couldn't find an antique brass, so all right, I'm gonna get some tools and we're gonna put this thing in. Like I said, I got 2 of them because I'm gonna find a spot for this one here. I don't know which door I'm going to put it on, but it'll get used. All right, it looks pretty easy. There's a little bit of instruction on the back. So, actually, it does have a measurement. See this here? All right. Hopefully, you get the gist of it. Okay. Oh, I guess, oh, you might be able to adjust this bottom part. Possibly. I don't know, we'll see, because there's a screw in the bottom. Not that I'm going to be adjusting it, but because I'm going to try to get it right the first time. All right, let me reconfigure, get some tools, and we'll get this thing installed. Hold on. Okay. I'm at the spot where I want to put this thing on. Let me give you a measure of this thing. What is it? Just over 4.5, 4 5/8. Oops, 4 5/8. Yeah, there you go, 4 5/8. So, now I want to make sure I get it right, in the right position. Hold on, let me readjust. Okay, actually I had it upside down. See, this is the way it's supposed to go. Okay. And I'm going to mark my holes with a pencil. All right. Then I'm going to put a little bump in there, kind of get my hole started. And then I have a drill bit. I can't get to my big drill bit, my big selection of drill bits because my drywall's in the way. So I decided to see if I can use this little tiny thing. And look at my screws. Let's see. Here's my screw. And here's the drill bit. If I get that to focus. Ooh, focus. All right. Well, you get the idea. You get the idea. You don't want to drill the hole bigger than your screw, right? Okay, so let me. That's almost pretty good right there. Hold on a second. Okay, I moved it out a little bit. That's pretty good. I think what I might do is mark it and then move it a little bit down. All right, so let me mark where we're going to go. Okay, let's see where the marks are. Oops, what's that? All right, hold on one second. All right, we'll put the template up there just to give me a better idea where my mark is, because this one didn't come out too good. Where are you? That's one, that's the other. Okay. All right, so here, here, and here. All right, so here's my marks. I'm just going to drill a little bit below the opening of those 3 holes. All right, so I'll be back. Actually, before I drilled, I used an old finish nail just to give me some good footing for my drill bit. So hold on, let me drill these holes, come back. Okay, we got the holes somewhat drilled. And now I'm going to rely on my my Phillips drill bit and my drill to get them all the way home. So we'll come back after it's done. But that's where it's going to be, right there. So hold on. All right, I decided to show you what I'm doing so we get this right the first time. Move over a little bit. You don't want to overdo it, because I don't know if there's good meat behind this. I thought there was going to be a solid piece of wood, but it doesn't feel solid back there. So, get my drill bit out. Do the other side. Just go easy. As soon as you feel it snug up, there you go. Now I'm going to do the top one. And to do that, I got to move, I got to be creative. So I'll do it like so. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Come on, focus camera. There we go. Nice and easy. All right, she's snug. She's snug, and there she is. Okay. Look at that. And all you do is press your foot on this thing, right? And it springs up. Pretty slick, huh? All right, there you have it. I got one of these. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'll find a spot. And I didn't over tighten because I don't think it's solid wood behind here. I was thinking that it would be solid all the way across, but it's not. This one might be on solid wood, but these two, this is iffy. This one for sure isn't, because you can hear the difference, right? That's solid. That's not. All right, there you have it. Looking good. Let me, I'll show you, let me get up and I'll show you what it looks like from, you know, doing with the foot thing. Hold on. Okay, so you come in, right? You want to put, instead of using this thing, just click this down. Whoa. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, boom. She's done, right? Then you say, all right, let's close the door now. Use the spring-loaded thing on the top and shut the door. Open her up. This thing all the way down, and there she is. Okay, and just once again, it's the One Touch door stopper 4-inch antique bronze 2-pack. Got it on Amazon. Came with 2. It was something like $16 for the 2. If you buy one, it's about $10. So, and they have a bunch of different finishes on it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. I'll leave you with that shot right there. Thanks for watching. More to come.